This is not orange juice, folks. Yeah, a little bit of yellow.
Black and white cookie. Hey guys, today we're on the Lower East Side. We're going to check out some Jewish food related businesses, some historic and some pretty new. I'm going to go inside and check them out and have a lot of fun. We've been customers at Moishe's Kosher Bakery for a long time. We love their old, faded, and peeling signage, but they recently put up a new awning. Moishe's Bakery on Grand Street at the corner of East Broadway is the last remaining kosher Jewish bakery left here in the Lower East Side. And they're known for their freshly baked challah bread, their rye bread, their humantashins, their black and white cookies. So we're going to go inside and check it out. Moishe's also sells delicious danishes, cupcakes, poppy, fruit and fancy cakes, mandel bread, and a variety of cookies, including egg kikl, hamantashen, and rugula. We love everything. Not only does Moishe sell freshly baked rye bread, pumpernickel, and challah bread by the loaf, you can also just purchase a slice for 25 cents. What a bargain! A pink frosting cupcake.
One of this?
Yeah, pink.
What else? Maybe a hamantash like this?
Oh, sure, yeah. And a hamantashen. That's an apricot, yes?
Yeah.
Perfect, apricot. Perfect. So we got some delicious items at Moishe's Bakery. Let me show them to you. We got, of course, fresh rye bread, and I had it sliced using their ancient slicer. Makes a lot of noise. Of course, some treats, including black and white cookie. Of course, had to get a black and white cookie. And an apricot hamantashen.
Oh, that looks extra good.
You know it, extra good. Global International on Orchard Street by Grand was founded over 60 years ago by Isaac Gluck. Samuel Gluck inherited the menswear business from his father and is a born salesman. When Global International first opened on Orchard Street, it was lined with Jewish merchants who sold discounted fabric and assorted dry goods. The store itself was always busy and was spread over 3 floors and included custom tailoring and many fine Italian suits, jackets, and shirts.
Experience quality store
Right.
of everything for men, sport, casual, dress, jeans, anything you want. Visit a guy, you'll be happy.
So Mario, how long have you worked with Sammy?
18 and a half years. Walk in.
Right.
They got a feel, hey, this is nice.
Right.
You know, and they walk around, and sometimes they may not even be in the mood to buy. But they say, wait a minute, oh, I like that. And even when I put these up here, I give it a little look.
Right, a little
See?
flair.
A little flair to it, see?
Right?
Oh, there's a little flair and everything.
Although foot traffic on the street and business in general has decreased, Sammy's determined to stay open because he loves talking to people and taking care of customers.
I'm out of the talk. You will never do what I do.
Michaeli Bakery on Division Street by East Broadway was just recently opened by its Israeli pastry chef Adir Michaeli, and it specializes in challah bread and babka and delicious pastries, including some bareka. So we're going to go inside and check it out. Adir Michaeli ran the pastry operations at the famous Roumanian bakery in Tel Aviv, Israel, before he moved to New York in 2013 to oversee the opening of Bread's Bakery, where his babka became known as the best in New York. Jimmy, the arugula looks really good. But I think I'm going to try some of the barekas, because that's like the Israeli pastry, savory. Opening his own Lower East Side bakery was a huge step for Adir, but it's already became known for its delicious arugula and babka, which Adir describes as having a kibbutz of Israeli cultures and flavors in it. Oh, awesome. Thank you. Oh, thank you. So I got a treat for Hudson, too. This is a special little cookie. Good boy. Here you go. For waiting like a good boy. So we got, this is a little sample of their halva cookie, and Hudson had one too, of course. And we got the spinach and cheese bareka, which is a classic Israeli, like a savory pastry. So we're gonna check it out. We're gonna give it a try. Here we go. Extra good. Sammy's Roumanian-style restaurant, located on Chrystie Street by the corner of Delancey, has a history dating back over 80 years, and it's been operating as a Jewish steakhouse since 1975. And their specialty is their Roumanian skirt steak, which is sold by the pound, small, medium, or large. And they make chopped liver tableside. They prepare it with schmaltz, which is the chicken fat, which they have at the table in a glass container. And they also serve like potato latkes and Jewish comfort food. It's a really fun atmosphere. Like every night that's going on is like you're attending someone's bar mitzvah or birthday party. We visited Sammy's Roumanian Steakhouse fairly early on a Sunday evening, as it tends to get pretty hectic later on.
Do you want Sprite or no? And if you don't have ginger ale, fine. But if you have it, then...
We originally photographed Sammy's for our Storefront 2, a history preserved book in 2010, when its original signage still hung on the facade. It's since been removed and now hangs on the wall in a place of honor, along with the thousands of photos of customers. Danny Love, an Israeli singer, comedian, and musician, has been providing live entertainment at Sammy's for over 18 years. He was out sick on the night we visited, but Shimon Pierre was standing in for him, singing classic standards and playing the keyboard.
Since you're wearing, the days grow long.
right, everybody.
Standing next to me.
Here we go. What am I doing?
Oh my God, I was so mad.
Here we go. Sorry, I need a little space. Here we go. Okay, folks.
And I was like begging
We got the
Sammy,
chopped
like,
little Sammy style with the onions and the radish and the grievance. To that we add a little salt
I miss you,
and a little pepper.
my darling.
And of course, this is not orange juice, folks. Yeah, a little bit of the old schmaltz there. Don't worry, we got the number of the best cardiologists in town. We're gonna be all right. So,
You have a defibrillator in there.
yeah, we got the ambulance parked around the corner. Don't worry. All right. Okay, so mix all that up real nice. You put it on some rye bread and you're golden. Enjoy.
You just did it.
This is my only choices.
Yes. Now that I know.
Since you went away.
Grivenous is fried chicken skin cracklings, similar to pork rinds, which are a byproduct of schmaltz preparation. At Sammy's, they're added to the tableside preparation of the chopped liver.
Here we go. Fried crep block here.
The chopped liver is better than Wegmans.
There's always a glass pitcher of schmaltz or rendered chicken fat on every table at Sammy's.
What did you say? You found her.
Anthony Bourdain loved eating at Sammy's, and Mimi Sheraton, the food critic, is also a huge fan. What a great day and evening we had in the Lower East Side on our Jewish food tour. We visited both historic and newly opened Jewish food shops and businesses, and an Israeli one, and had some wonderful bread, cookies, and pastries. We love joining the family-style feast at Sammy's Roumanian. If you ever want to crash a birthday party or join a bar mitzvah celebration, this is definitely the place. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and notification bell and give it a thumbs up and share our video if you liked it. You may also enjoy watching some of our other Lower East Side videos, including our Lower East Side food tours and our Lower East Side punk and rock and roll episode. We will be posting new videos every Friday, so hit that bell to be notified.
Bye, guys.
Bye guys!
Oy vey.